Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAFIT. Today's video is yoga for deeper squat. Let's begin. Okay, stand up nice and tall. Inhale, exhale, bend your knee. Take a chair pose. Interlace your hand except to index fingers. Inhale, exhale for 1. Look straight. 2, 3. When you go down, try not to exceed your knee over your toes to protect your knees. I try to align my knees over my toes. 4 and 5. Relax, straighten your knees, forward 4. Relax your neck. And each vertebra roll up. Good. And inhale, exhale, bend your knee. Inhale, chest up, exhale, twist your upper body from belly button. And use your elbow against your outer knee to twist. Your gaze could be side or toward the ceiling. 3, 4. Squeeze your knee together. Keep your hip square. And 5. Back to center. Inhale, exhale. Twist your upper body to the side. 2. Don't open up your knees together. 4 and 5. Back to center and relax. Open your leg about your hip distance. Keep your knees slightly bent. Hug your elbows. And sway your head to the side gently to release any tension. And release your hands. Each vertebra slowly roll up. Good. And toes, heels touch together. Inhale and exhale. Squat. Chair pose. Now open your arm to the side. Inhale like airplane. And inhale, exhale, twist your upper body. 2, 3. Use exhale to go deeper. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to go sink deeper. Next, exhale back to center. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to center and straighten your knee. Now open your leg about hip distance. Inhale, exhale. Place your right hand center. Exhale, left hand toward the sky. 2, breathe. 3, 4, and 5. Back to center. Now let's do the opposite side. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to center. And relax your neck. Inhale, exhale, slowly bend your knees, roll up. And toes heels touch together. Interlace hands behind. Open your chest. Shoulder blades together. Inhale. Let's go. Bend. Look straight. Shoulder blades together. Stand up, lifting up. Knees together. Hips square. 4 and 5. Now release. Open your leg about hip distance. Inhale halfway. And exhale down. Inhale halfway. Legs the spine. And exhale down. Inhale half. Exhale down. Inhale, crown reaching forward. Tailbone while reaching backward down. One more inhale. Spread out, create space between each vertebra and down. Now toes heels touch together. Inhale, exhale slowly. And roll up. Inhale, exhale, last one. Now, extend your arms above. And if you can stay there. If you want to have challenge yourself, lift up your toes, shift your weight on your heels. And shoulder blades together, open chest, look straight. Stay there. Stay with me. Shoulders down. Breathe. 4. Inhale. Exhale for 5. Now release. From here, inhale, exhale. Now, press your hand. Let's do plank pose. Exhale to upper facing Uba Mukha Svanasana. Exhale to downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay there, take 5 nice breath. Wow. 10 toes spread wide, 10 fingers spread wide, and press them down. And tailbone high up to the sky. Belly button squeeze to the spine. Shoulders always away from ears. Always create space. And just cross your thighs. Make sure to press your heels down, tailbone high up. Inhale, right leg up and step between. Now turn and wide leg spread and forward. Press outer edge of leg down, inner edge lifting up, kneecap lift up, use your thigh muscle. Shoulders away from ears, always create space. Inhale halfway, hands back, bring back to hips and exhale all the way up. Okay, from here, pointing your toes out, 45-degree angle, keep it still wide stance. From here, inhale, exhale, bend. From here, interlace your fingers and above your head. And inhale, exhale, reach to your left. And your gaze to the ceiling. Don't collapse your knee open. Knee, toes, pointing same direction. And back to center. Release. 1 breath. 2 breaths, gain more energy. 3 breaths. Now interlace your fingers and squat. Stretch out above your head. Inhale, exhale. Stretch to your right. And gaze up. 1, 2. Use exhale to sink lower. 3, 4 and 5. Back to center. Release your hand. Relax. From here, slightly shorter stance. Okay? And let's take garland pose. Slowly, slowly, squat, squat, squat. And if this is your limit, it is okay. Stay there. Or if you feel like you have flexibility, go lower and stay low. And pointing your sitting bone down. From here, and use elbow to press your knees out, palm together. Here, your posture. Don't slouch your back. Shoulder blades together. Open your chest, widen your collarbones. And keep your neck spine long. Here we go. We are taking garland pose. Let's take a moment. Breathe in through the nose deep. Breathing out through the nose deep. Check out your posture. Squatting is very important for your health. Not only improve your strength and mobility, it will also promote healthy hormonal change in your body. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified on my future videos. See you soon!